Guys, lagyan natin ng asin. Yung salmon na masarap na guys. Tarin na natin guys. Guys, may gawa tayo ng masarap ng salmon na masarap. Guys, wow. Yeah, talaga. Cilantro. Wow. Sarap talaga yan guys. Tapos, yan natin. Peng! 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 I gonna taste this one guys. I think I try it. It's delicious with the sauce.